Hi, I'm Paul from Velo and welcome to Brompton and a Coffee. So today I'm going to take the G line on what I think is the perfect ride to a coffee shop. Come join me, see how I get on and see what you think of this lovely ride for a sweet cup of coffee. That was a bad line.
Fun.
So there we have it, a lovely G-line ride on the edge of Bristol, starting across the glorious Clifton Suspension Bridge, through Lee Woods and over to the Bike Shed Cafe. Very blessed with these kind of local trails on our doorstep. We've had a bit of road, bit of gravel, bit of single track and Sustrans routes. And there's a Sustrans route on the way back. So it's been really sweet ride away from traffic and just lots of fun. So what do you think makes the perfect G-line ride? Have you got trails near you? Let us know in the comments where you cycle, where you kind of get the most out of your G-line. It'd be good to hear. So another thing that's made the ride really nice, I've been doing it with Sarah, but also my new handlebars on the G-line. I definitely think that Brompton should have gone with that more of a rise. I know it's not as versatile, so if you're selling bikes on mass, then obviously you should have a handlebar that is a little bit more versatile for everyone. But I do think the G line for me is much better just with that 40mm rise. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. It'll be somewhere around me just now, Sarah. You can click on it and look at the kind of handlebar conversion that I've done. So thanks for joining us for Brompton and a Coffee. I've really enjoyed my Brompton ride, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my coffee. If you like what we do, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon for some more Brompton and a Coffee.